Another live stream. Hope you are doing the good. In today's stream we are going to add food to Airdrift. Hopefully we will see how it goes. Yeah, I will show you the changes from last stream, last devlog. The last devlog was awesome. It got a huge amount of views, so thank you so much for checking it out and liking it. Hopefully this fan isn't super annoying. I would die in this room if I didn't have this fan pointed at me, so hopefully it's good. GAMEDEV, this live stream is going to be very delicious. Welcome, man. Valued Bird is here. Hi. Darda Saba is here. Hey. John is here. Ansel. Hello, guys. Welcome, all of you. Glad to have you here. Insane. Just give me a second. I will post it to Discord that I'm live. Yeah, if you are not part of the Discord, you should join. Yeah, you should join. The link is in the description. I will just post the update. I'm live. I'm alive. So hope you are all doing good. Hopefully we will do some progress. To be honest, progress has been a bit slower these days. Yeah, not much time spent in this room, so I didn't develop as much as I would like to. Okay, sorry, I posted. Jeremy is here, so we are adding food. Yes, we are adding food. Guess the thingy. What's up? Okay, again, this weird camera angle. Again, like my camera is still broken, my webcam. So this is the best we got. Annabelle is here. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Guys, I'm streaming on Twitch and on YouTube also. So if you prefer Twitch, you can hop over my Twitch. If you enjoy YouTube, just stay where you are. Hi Sip, I have one question. How are you streaming on Twitch and YouTube at the same time? Yeah. I'm using Streamlabs OBS. I'm using Streamlabs OBS with the Prime subscription. Okay, I guess we can get started. Also, don't forget to like the stream. It really lets me know you wanna see more, and you like watching. So hopefully that answers your question, Bartu, and we can get to this. Welcome to the project. Just let me know if the fan is super annoying. I can turn it down, but it shouldn't be as bad. We will see what you guys say. Okay, demo islands. Yeah, expand it a bit. I added rocks that Dani sent me. These rocks formations, I really like them. Just testing it out. I see you good. Okay, man. Glad you're back. Nice to see you. Okay, this part is a bit weird, but I can explain. We are going to move through quest islands, so on every stage there are some quest islands that you have to complete something to progress further in the game. And how you navigate these islands, I can show you. You will obtain these gems, and you can craft these compasses. As you can see, I have blue compass, green compass, and I go here. We have more compasses, yellow and purple, and this is the final one. Let me equip. So here are the compasses in game, working. Hi Diamond Gamer. Can you wishlist? Yes, you can wishlist, man. Lava Hink. Yeah, try searching Airdrift on Steam, but I will try to find link for you. Just give me a second. So, how are you doing, guys? Hope everything is fine. Just give me a second while I try to search for the link. Wishlist now, of course. If you haven't wishlisted yet, you should, guys. You really should. Okay, here is the link in the chat, and I will post it to this chat also. I love your videos. They're epic. Oh, thank you, man. Go wishlist, guys. Go do it. So, as you can see, these are the compasses. Multiple of them, and for example this one points to second, so this is the second compass. These are like just testing the navigation. This one points to first, yellow one is I think third, yeah, and purple is the last island. These represent islands for now, just for testing. And here is the last gate, kind of working. As you can see, it wants blue compass, green compass, yellow and purple. So I can insert it blue, yellow, and when I insert purple, this wall or door or something will go down. So this is the this will be part of the story. Guys, I'm bursted this, but something happened. I heard that. Hey, thanks for following, man, on YouTube and on Twitch. Welcome. Okay, so this is for the final gate. You will collect these gems for these compasses. As you can see, you can have empty compass. You can craft it with iron. And I've added crafting recipes. Hey, Lava Hing, welcome. So you can craft empty compass with 5 iron, and then for all those color tiers, you will need to find blue gem, yellow, green and purple. So yeah, this will be part of the story. And yeah, this is the final compass that will navigate you to basically this gate. Yeah. And when you take some compasses out, of course the wall will reappear. Okay, let's see. I like the ambient sounds. That's good. That's good. This game is so calm and quiet. Thank you, man. Thank you. Honestly, you'll be making so much progress and content I've struggled to keep up. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm really trying. Like these days, as I said, was a bit slower. Like content-wise, I was fixing bugs. As you know, Devlog 10, the next Devlog, will be all about demo. You will be able to try the game on this map. You will be able to like test some things out, get some resources, build your airship and just move on. So as you can probably imagine, there were a lot of bugs in the game, and I'm still fixing them. Like there is still a ton, but it's getting better. It's getting to playable state, so hopefully hope you like it. Hello Arton, welcome to the stream. Came over to Twitch, it's more comfortable. Welcome to Twitch. Yeah, guys, choose whatever. I will stream to both of them. What is aircraft and what you... Sorry, Diamond Gamer, I'm not sure. Like this is the airship. You will be able to build like this. As you can see, I added way more categories to organize it a bit. Like this is your main building pieces, railings, stairs, walls and stuff like that. This is for the ship controls. As you can see, engines, wheels, basically everything to move the ship. Here are some chests. You can store the items and also some crates. Here are the torches. We added this in the last devlog episode. If you didn't see it, make sure to watch it. I really like the devlog. But as you can see, we have lights on the Airdrift. Here are the planting boxes. You will be able to plant stuff and grow your own vegetables. And we will get to the food, and this will be part of it today. here are the like crafting station, collection table, and some, for example, food stuff is something here. I'm not sure. This tab may be gone the next time you see it. And this is some decoration like benches, tables that doesn't add anything basically to your ship, just the decoration, so making it look a bit cozier and stuff. And this is the cooking, smelting, and surviving tab. I called it surviving tab because we have campfire, smelter because you need to smelt ores to progress, and water tanks, different tiers to store the water on ship so you don't run out. So yeah, I've added more of these tabs for easy organization. Yeah, and we have a new engine model. Where do I put it? Oh no. Let's go here. I can turn it on. As you can see, it moves. And we are moving. Yeah, these flames are going through the walls. Not ideal. We will fix it. But yeah, it's moving. I like the model. It's again from Dani. He is also a modeler. So yeah, we are moving. And you can see the new addition for the wheel. We have compass holder, so when you are navigating to the quest islands, you can put your compass here and you will see the direction you need to move in. And yeah, I made it that the engines are directional, so you can rotate them. When I put this engine here and turn it on, we are basically stationary. And when I put two engines facing this way, it will like beat this one engine, and we started moving backwards. And when I turn this off, we will go faster, of course. So yeah, some changes, not a lot. Oh my god, we got the spam bot again. I'm sorry guys, I was focused on the game. I hate this. I really hate it, sorry. Hide user on this channel. Okay, bye. Like, they will come again with different name, but you know. Let's see. Sorry, I missed a lot of messages. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to show you the updates. I will try to catch up now. So, yeah, I read this. It's nice to see that your game is growing very fast with more and more content. With my game, I'm working on basic stuff. Yeah, the important is getting the basics right, and then you can like build up on it. You decided to switch to Godot. Okay, good choice. We have some Godot fans in the chat and on Discord, so if you're not part of it, join. We have some Godot fan base on it. The UI looks very clean. Thank you, man. Will beta test be free? Yeah, of course. The test will be free. I will release Devlog. I will release some tutorial videos, so how you can move and stuff, because I won't put it at this stage to the game. I just want some like closed off testing with my subscribers and stuff that guys follow me. Is the UI for building section a bit too much to the left? Is the UI for the building section? Maybe it is. Let me check. Like the middle one, the tabs. This. This, I'm not sure. It may not be centered. I don't know. Do you use Raycast for building system? Yes, I'm using Raycast. I really love how much it resembles RAFT, but it's also very different at the same time. Thank you, man. I was playing RAFT, the new update, with some friends. It was really fun. We didn't beat it all the way. We are in the underwater section with the big boss. Sorry for spoilers if you didn't see it. Is the weight ship changing as you place objects? The systems are there. Like the balloon can hold 5 foundations. The only stuff that will add weight to the ship are foundations. So you will have to build more balloons to support, again, more foundations. But other stuff, decoration stuff you put on the foundations, it doesn't take anything. Bots, yeah, sorry guys. Gel Music, hey, welcome to the stream. It's nice to have you here. What is this in chat? Yeah, sorry again. Like, these bots are here every single stream. It's super annoying. I'm not sure how to deal with it. Sorry. I don't have any mods. That would probably fix it, yeah. Are grappling hooks possible in the game? Not at this point. I wanted to add it to be similar to World Adrift. We have gliders, which I find pretty cool. We have these airdrifts that can boost you up. Then you can travel. But I'm thinking of adding grappling hooks also. It could be an epic mod. I could be, okay, liquid mark. I will keep it in mind. I would need some mods. The thing that shows the item icons. I actually like the vibe a bit better than RAFT. Okay, well, thank you for that. Like, it's super early in development, but it's nice to hear you like it. You sent the thing you meant in general. Let's check. Oh, this. Yeah. Probably is, but like only this icon stuff won't be visible because all of them will have some recipe. This is because I was lazy, but the UI will look very something with recipe. More like this, but again the padding, I think this, we can fix it. But I know what you mean, like this is not centered, but that's because here is the panel that should contain the recipe for the building objects, like balloon has recipe, foundation. I just didn't fill all of this because I'm lazy and you know, because I'm lazy basically. Do you know when you are planning to change the bean into the player model? Well, now that you mention it, Denji was hard at work and we already have player model. I'm just super lazy to implement it. So this is the best we got for now. Yes, I'm walking. Yeah, I was trying something. I'm not the best at animations. I'm not the best at implementing this kind of stuff. Let me just mess with this a bit. Let's increase the distance on our Cinemachine camera. If I can find it. Distance. Yeah, go here. Yeah, so this is the player without animations, without anything. Oh. You know, it's a start. Long ways to go, obviously. Let's go back. That's why I still keep the capsule on. But there is a player also here, so you can see it up close. Let me fly there. Yeah, look at him. Bit huge, and you know, I really like him. The model looks really good. Agree. Do you wanna add some sort of modding support? I will be not surprised if not. Yeah, I was trying to research how to make moddable game and I found it to be really hard. So I applaud everyone that adds modding support, and I think it adds a lot to the game. But not sure for Airdrift, you know. Only one-man development team. Let's keep the scope low so we can finish it, and then maybe we can add more stuff. Will Airdrift be out on Linux? And it will... okay, so no multiplayer for Airdrift, and it will be out on Linux. Sure, liquid mark. You can mod the game like that. Okay, I think we should like start at the food system. I'm just showing you all the stuff we changed. It's a lot, you know, some small things, but it adds to the game, to the experience. What water shader are you using? Like this one is some free from asset store. It's called stylized water for URP. It's just for the demo level. Like this won't be any C on the bottom like it's on Raft. This is just for the demo level. So, but I have water shader from Voted Barrett. It looks weird on the large surfaces, but I use it for the water source. Asiedel, sorry for mispronouncing your name. Welcome. I like the leaves a lot. Oh my god, I love them. I love them. I love the fact that they move. This was my first shader. I love it. I gotta rework that now. Yeah, you can. Okay, let's get started on the food stuff. I need to leave in 40 minutes. So let's add as much things as possible. The goal was to like have entire food system at least somewhat working. But I like talking to you. As you know, these streams are not the best for making progress. I like to catch up with the community and chat with you. But we have to do something. I was just recently adding health and hunger to my game as well. Oh, that's cool. I'm not sure I want to have hunger. I think the food will just heal you. And you have thirst to manage. Because I think it will be too much to manage both of them. Like, as you can see, now it's not depleting because I'm in god mode. But once I go out of the god mode, my thirst is going down. I like. What about progress on AI? I know you have the asset that I could use. I didn't progress. I'm not focusing on enemies, but I was considering buying your placer asset because it's really cool and it's in sale. I think it's still in sale. I need to check it out because I created another. Okay, this is the last thing. This is the last thing I'm gonna show you. Yeah, last thing, I promise. Then we are going to go on progress. I created second project called Island Creator. I made it for Dani, and he can create islands with all the, like he can place all the stuff, he can place all the trees, he can place all the decorations for islands, some vegetation and stuff like that. He can export it with the editor window I made to JSON. I can import it to this project, and I also created a editor window here. When I, for example, select island and go to airship, island processor, when I, for example, select the first core of the island, I can replace all the stuff. Like, for example, he doesn't have to have some logic in that island builder. Like, there is no logic, there is no player character, there is no cuttable trees. So he just places tree asset. And then now I can just go here and see, okay, he placed tree 2. Okay, I need to replace, like, all the trees will be anchors from now on. Replace. And now I have all anchors at that spot, so I can easily replace the models, like the pure models, for the actual logic prefabs. So I can replace the models with one click and then actually cut the trees in Airdrift project. Oh no, let's go away, remove, hide user from this channel. This is insane. I'm sorry guys. Every single stream, somebody join. Oh, okay, Discord, join, you should join. And somebody join, KJL, welcome, man. I'm sorry guys, these bots are painful. Pain to deal with, sorry guys. So yeah, island processor. Hello there, Luca, welcome to the stream. I can give it to you for free. It's cool, that is true. You can. I won't like deny free things. it looks like really good. And for the, as I said, the island creator for the NG, I think it's a huge help. I tried to downloading the Pro Builder or something like that, and it has the like this brush similar to your asset, but it doesn't place it like straight. It goes always to the normals of the terrain, and it was doing some like really crooked trees, and I hated it. So yeah, cool asset. It's not that expensive. I can buy it. I can support you because you, of course, did a lot of work and spent a lot of time at the project. So yeah, you don't have to give it for free. Damus is here. Welcome, man. You made it. No. I'm not ignoring Damus. I'm just excited to talk to you and to show you new things. Sorry, guys. The Gerald AI. Yeah, we have Gerald in the game from last devlogs. Sorry for ignoring you. I'm not famous. Bots again, yeah, sure. Yeah, stream without bots, it's not the best. Gold is here. Welcome, man. Do you wanna add cooking system? I'm not sure. Like you said, you liked it in RAFT. I just ignored it, to be honest. Like the recipe stuff, I just throw it away. I only used grills. Okay, something happened. Melos 21st century, welcome to the stream. Yeah, not sure. I didn't use it. You should get some mods. Yes, I should. You guys wait for my island generator. I'm going to write for my bachelor. I'm still waiting, Luca. Just do it. Do it, man. If someone needs to feel better, I just kill mosquito. Good job, man. Good job, Damus. Okay. Food. You know, the title and thumbnail of this stream, and I have last half an hour. But yeah, I like talking to you guys. Let's see. These are our items. We need to add a new item type. Something like raw food and something like edible food or cooked food. I will show you something. Like I tried to... Yes, I'm here. Yes. I was trying to figure this out. And I have two item types I need to add. Raw food and edible food. We will see. We will see. So, let's go back here. Let's go to our scripts. Inventory, I think. Item data. This is our scriptable object for the items. And it has item category. Okay, we need to add new category named food. But we will create... let me think. Let's duplicate, for example, plants, and let's modify the script. Item data raw food. You're not allowed to start yet. Oh man, that's bad. That's bad. GAMEDEV, is the game free and also high? Welcome to the stream. And no, the game isn't out yet. And the game, when I release it, won't be free. Because I spend a lot of hours. And I will spend a lot of hours on it. And I don't want to add any microtransactions or something like that. So, not free, but it won't be expensive. And the demo will be out in 2 weeks. Yeah, in 2 weeks. And that will be free, so you can check it out. There will be multiple demos So yeah, hopefully you will like it. Zayfight was here. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for Twitch that I didn't notice the messages. It won't be multiplayer lava if you're still here. Okay. Yeah, so sorry, Trumbo. It won't be free. Okay, we created item data raw food. Let's open it up and let's do some actual coding. Item data raw food. Sure. It goes from item data. But let me think. Do you guys, let's see. Do you guys like the ability to eat raw food in the game? Like you will receive less healing, maybe it will decrease some of your thirst, but you will be able to heal at least some portion. Or do you guys just wanna like cook food and eat cooked food? Yes, I love raw meat. Okay, Mark, good. Okay, then I will try to play the second it will be released. It looks really cool. Thank you, man. Glad you like it. Okay, so you like raw meat. Raw also I like is for raw meat. Floki asks, will there be co-op? I would love to. Like, I love playing RAFT co-op, but I don't know any networking stuff, so probably not. Okay. Okay, so let's do that. We would be able to eat raw food, but it won't give us that amount of healing or something. Hunger. So item data edible food. Not sure about the naming. I hate naming stuff, but item that so for edible food we will have public float healing amount, because remember we don't have any hunger bar, it will just heal you, and it can add or decrease your thirst, so we will do public float thirst amount, and let's leave it at that. Items new edible food. Remember, this is deriving from item data, which has all the stuff we need, IDs for saving, names, description, images. So we have all of this. This just adds 2 more, healing amount and thirst amount. And for the raw food, if you want to eat it, I will just derive this from item data edible food. So we have these two. But of course, for these items, we will need to add something. This can be cooked, like raw food can be cooked. So, public float cook. Time to cook. And let's leave it at 5 seconds for now. And public item data edible food, and this will be the cooked food. Cooked result. So like this will be, for example, raw meat. When you cook it for 5 seconds, you will get this result, and this result has this healing amount and thirst amount. But because this raw food is derived from edible food, you will be able to eat raw food also, but I will just decrease these two amounts to something lower. We will see if this even works. Let's catch up. Let's catch up on the chat. Oh my, you are really active. Thanks for watching the stream, guys. I really love streaming, so this is good that you enjoyed also. Okay, so yeah, I read this. We are adding raw food. Yes, it would be cool to eat raw food too. Okay, we have it. Okay, Jam Music is also agreeing. Hey, Justus, welcome to the stream. Sorry for mispronouncing your name, as everybody else. Isn't Rider really expensive? When you're a student, it's free. I have still my student license and I use PHP Storm for my full-time job and I use Rider for Unity. But like Visual Studio is always good enough, or VS Code, but I'm really used to Rider and JetBrains stuff. I can just do shift and search for all the classes, and I don't know, I'm just used to it. That's why I use it. But also make it so that you can get slowness and illness from raw food. That's a great idea. We don't have these kind of things in the game, but we can add effects when you eat. Slowness. And I will add it as to do because that's a great idea. So far, how we can combat like just eating raw food, it will give you less amount of healing and it will decrease from thirst. So, you know, we will have to drink more often when you eat raw food. Would mean a ton of reworking, but you could use a mirror and net code for game objects. Yeah, like I was researching a lot and I made two multiplayer games, but it was in Unreal and I found it to be a lot easier in Unreal. We will see. I can try. I can ask for Tom's help. We can figure something out. But I know it would require a ton of reworking. Like when you want to add multiplayer, you should start implementing multiplayer and then do all your features. And as you know, we didn't do that. Okay, we have bot here. Okay, guys, who wants to be a mod and won't ruin the experience for other people in the chat? Sorry. I banned him again. Like they're always coming with different names, so sorry. I can ban all of them. Yeah, like when I add this here, I can use it like, okay, fruit, of course you should be able to eat, but I think fruit will be edible food. But I can give like the chance to get slowness, chance to get illness and stuff like this. But again, good idea. And also, what game program do you use, Sipto? I'm using Unity for this game. Will it instantly heal you or heal you over time? It can be instant at this point. That's really sad. You should consider co-op. Yeah, I made the game with Steam. I'm considering from the day one, but you know, I'm scared. I don't want to ruin the project and I don't want to overscope. Like most of my games I started, I didn't finish because I was adding new stuff, and I finally with Airdrift, I've got in the groove. Like, okay, I know what I can do. I know my limitations, what I can do, and you know, I feel I can finish this game. But adding co-op and stuff like this, moddable support, I think it will set me up so far in my path and plans. I don't know. I'm just hoping I won't lose motivation and stuff like this. Luca, Rider is love. Rider is love, of course. Yeah, yeah, Rider is really cool. I also started with the trial, and then I found out you can have, you know, the student license. Good to go by. It's me. Luca wants to be mod, and I will do it like. Okay, Luca is no mod. Drop me a mod. What is it, Beret? Okay, we have 2 mods. That's enough. Thank you for adding my suggestions. Yeah, there will be in the game to do. I will do. I'm tired of being alone. Sorry, man. I will DM the link for you, Flocky. Yeah, we have 2 mods. I think that's enough for now. Thanks for the applications. When it will get out of hand again, I will look for more mods. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here. I think the making the game's code is clean enough is good enough. Clean is good enough. Sure. I like the code isn't super messy, so I think you will be able to add stuff easily. New items. As you can see, I'm adding new type of items. You can always do this. Okay, so Luca, Valuti, thanks for joining as mods. And let's see what we did. Where should I look? Items. Okay, here are the items. And I should be able to create new items. Edible food. Yes. Let's name it meat. And let's see, I think I forgot to new plant, of course not. Items, new edible food, sure. New raw food, so it will be added to the drop down. Let's mod this game to be on water instead of the sky. Like, that's some proper thinking, man. That surely it doesn't exist. I never heard of that game. Let's create a new item, raw food, and it will be raw meat. And let's try to set it up. Okay, raw meat for now. Raw meat can be cooked. Item image, something random. Apple, why not? Prefab, apple, why not? 64 stack sizes, okay. It's a food. Rarity should be common. You can hold it in your hand. Healing amount, when you eat raw food, it will just give you 1 healing point and it will decrease from the thirst. It will take 5 seconds to cook this raw meat, aka apple, and the result will be meat, sure. And now in the meat, let's set it up. Meat. Yeah. And the image will be this backpack. The prefab will be, oh my god, this barrel. Stack size 64. Okay, it's also food. Rarity common. This will give you more healing, like free healing, and it won't affect your thirst. We can have, like, for example, watermelons in RAFT will give you some hunger and then some thirst. We can just leave this type of meat to just be 0. And now we can modify the building item. We will need something to cook it, and we of course have this awesome looking campfire. So let's see the code. This was done by my friend. Okay, By the way, quick idea, there should be like a height meter. Height meter. Oh, okay. Like that's cool. That's cool. I wanted to add the altitude and stuff from earlier streams, but like to have this building object to just show you the height, I think I like it. I like it. By the way, why did you switch away from the glorious Unreal Engine to Unity? I'm not sure. I was working on a really big project in Unreal. Look, like my whole timeline, I was using Unity along like 4 years. Then I switched to Unreal for 1 year or so, maybe 2, and then I switched back now when I'm working on Airdrift. And I don't know, the reason was I hated C++, I liked C#, and I used only blueprints and I wanted to code. So I chose Unity instead of learning C++. Also, if you haven't made the designs for the food, I can try and make designs for you. Like, that sounds awesome. You can try. Thank you, man. Trumbo. If you are on the Discord, just post it in some channels and I will see it. Because C# is the best. C# is really good. I like PHP too. Okay. Campfire Controller. Let's see. I think we should show the stuff you put on the grill. So let's make it first. I'm running out of time, but at least I will try to create this. Empty, sure. Let's do it as a dot. And let's turn on gizmos. For now, it will have 2 slots. Nowhere. Let's just move this one here. And let's cook slot. Again, my namings are not the best, but these will be cook slots. And then in Campfire Controller, I can do start method. I can do array of game okay, game objects, cook slots. What's the function I'm searching for? Find by tag. Oh no, I need more logic. I need to see if this is occupied, so let's just handle the cooking here, and the Campfire Controller will be to supply the fuel. Public item data raw food, current food. So when I insert some raw food, this will be filled. The default is null. Public, that's basically it. I will add new public function, add food, and it will require raw food. And I will do this, and I will create coroutine. Nope. Enumerator cooking. I will start this coroutine here. When I insert something, it will start cooking. I0, welcome to the stream. C++ is daddy. Okay, I will leave this message be. The first time I used Unity, I created canvas and didn't know what it did. I installed Unreal Engine and made some stupid things with blueprints. Yeah, like every program will have, like, you will need some time to learn, but you know, use what you are comfortable with. It's just a tool. Floki has to go. It was nice having you here. See ya, man. Okay, I'll start the coroutine for cooking. I will return you, wait for seconds. Time to cook. Yield. Yield return. This. And after that, to do report. Okay. In the Campfire Controller, let's find get components in children, and how did I call it? Cook slot, yeah. Components in children, and this needs to be cook slot array, cook slots, yeah. I've just joined your Discord server. My user is Floppa. Welcome, man, to the Discord. Floppa is here. Welcome. Guys, if you haven't already, join. A really great community, a really fun people. Okay, we have all the cook slots. Let's see how it's set up. What I can interact with. There are multiple colliders, but I don't know why. Food. Okay, this has a collider. Okay. I'm thinking I should probably relocate the logic to this cook slot so I can use like this cook root. I'm not sure how to call it. Okay, cook controller, because I don't know, we can rename it later. And I will relocate the logic from Campfire that I've added. So let's just this, cut this, okay, and let's make it, let's make it interactable. I will need to add new functions because this interface needs these two. This will just return string add raw food to cook, and when I interact, I need to check what I'm holding in hand, if it's raw food, and I need to accept only raw foods. So let's see, if inventory manager dot instance dot item selected hotbar item. How do I check types? Let me just Google this. Unity check type of check type. Target is component. So this, if this is item data raw food, hey Gargasian, thanks for the follow. This is item instance. I need to check dot item. If this is raw food, let's do it like this. If it's not raw food, is not maybe? Nope. If this is not raw food, just return. Why is it? We will see if this makes a problem. Okay, if this is not raw food, go away, and I need to check my cook slots if it's some available. So I will create new function void check. It will be actually bool. It will be actually cook slot. Check slot availability. I will go for each for all the cook slots. If cook slot dot current food. Soupy, welcome to the stream and thanks for following, man. Hi Maker Fafa. Welcome to the stream. Your game is so cool. Thank you. I'm glad you think so. I'm glad you think so, man. Okay, let's see. If current food is null, please just return the cook slot. Yeah, cook slot, of course. And if not, just return null. I will do this. Cook slot. Let's check the availability. If the slot is null, please just don't do anything. I don't have enough space. We can add some message or something. Like here it will be message, you don't have raw food in hand. Here there will be message, no available slots to cook. And now I know I have raw food in hand. I know that there is a slot available. Okay, we know these things. Okay, thanks for following on Twitch also, man. We have slot, we have item in hand, so let's just do this. For the slot, I will add food, add food. The stuff you are holding in hand, of course. As this, because I know it's dead. I need to remove it from your inventory, so invent manager instance dot remove hotbar. I'm just checking if I have the right function. Remove item at index. Okay, this has two. I can remove item and position. So I will remove stuff we have in hand. Selected hotbar index. I'll just remove one of the item because you can stack it. Okay, this is the default, so I'll just remove this. Okay, it started cooking. I will remove it. When it started cooking, I need to spawn this on the position, so I will instantiate. Current food game object, because you should be able to see it. So I will save this instantiate to this. I will instantiate raw food dot prefab, and I will instantiate it at this transform. I will save it, and when it's done cooking, for now let's just No, please. Let's just destroy this current food game object. And when it's done cooking, and let's set the current food to null. Of course, we need to do this later. Let's do it now. Why later? Let's do again. We are doing inventory. So inventory measure instance dot handle item pickup, and I will revert player current food that cooked result. And what it needs? It needs item instance. Okay, of course. So let's create item instance with this item, and we'll just give you one of that item. Yeah. Okay. We are making some progress. Where are you from? I'm from Slovakia. I'm from Slovakia. Let me think for a second. Cook controller. I don't care. This is scaring me. I need to check like It just appeared when I pressed this. If is let's try it like this. Just to be sure. As item data raw food, and let's just do, oh no, let's do this. If this is null, return. Okay, it's not showing up the error, so I think we fixed it. Okay, I'm not sure what's going to happen, like no effects, no anything. When I aim at this spot right here, I should be able to see the cook controller. These cook slots will be automatically assigned. This is a bit worrying, this collider. I'm not sure why it exists. I guess so I can just walk through it. Let's just disable it for now. Cook slots, we have it. Let's add these items to our inventory. So let's go to inventory manager. This is still broken in my Unity. Not sure if you guys have this problem. The first element is overlapping with all of them. Let's just replace the rock we have, and let's raw meat. And we have 8 raw meat in inventory. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we broke. Okay, where is the raw meat? Yes, this apple. Raw meat can be cooked. It's a food. Okay, we have apple in hand. Just imagine it's raw meat. It says add raw food to cook. Okay, I press E and nothing happens. Okay, let's check. Let's check a few things. Oh no, I shouldn't do this. Let's play it and pause it right away. Let's see if the cook slots are occupied. Where is it? Food. Cook slots are not okay. I know. These should be child of the food. Okay. Now let's check. When you're releasing the game, how much in size for the game do you expect? I'm not sure. Now it's really like not that big. I have no like I don't know how to like tell. Sorry. I will let you guys know on Discord when the project grows. So it's bigger. Rivali, welcome to the stream, man. Hello. Yeah, I won't add any waves. Like there won't be any ocean at the bottom. This is just for the testing world. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, we are cooking an apple. Let's wait 5 seconds. And it's destroyed. Okay, I got an error. But that's okay. At least we can cook it. It's on the... It's cook slot line 22. Cook slot line 22. Yeah, I just... I have to do this before I set current food to null. Okay. But I wasn't able to add more foods to this. So let's check why is that. When I interacted, I still had the food, and this should tell me that the one slot is available. If current food is null, just return cook slot. Okay, let's just let's debug that log this. And I have to go in like few minutes. Let's see. I need to fix this now. Oh, this... no, okay, I'm just slow today. This doesn't have the cook slot. It should work now. As a new, of course, this shouldn't be private, public, but good for now. Let's see, let's fly there. Let's pick our meat. Yes, I can add 2. It's cooking. It's cooking. Yes, and I get 2 meat, which is this huge barrel. It represents the meat, cooked meat. Okay, love it, and I can cook more. Oh, nice. I will do this and this bit later, and I should. Yeah, of course. Okay, let's add some to-dos. Of course, different game objects for the cooked stuff and raw stuff. But here I need check if there is fuel, because you won't be able to cook without fueling the furnace. Check if there is fuel. Stop cooking when no fuel. And of course consume the raw / edible food, which will do restore health / thirst. Okay, this is the plan for me. Dajda is back, but I'm ending the stream basically. I really have to go. It was really fun to hang out with you guys. We made some progress. I mainly just talked to you, but you know, that's the fun part of game development and streaming. I really like to just connect with community. Again, make sure to join the Discord if you enjoy the stream and you wanna support the channel and stuff, the development. You can always join as a member. I have 4 members already on the channel. Big thanks to you guys. It really helps with making videos. It helps with buying some assets if I need to, and it's just, you know, support. Okay, thanks guys. It was really fun. Damus, see ya man. Good progress. Thank you man. Talking is always nice. Yeah, I enjoy talking to you guys. See ya. Luca, all you did, guys. See ya.